What if I told you that the AI tools you're using right now are only scratching the surface of what's possible? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 categories of AI tools that are genuinely transforming how we live and work. Not just the overhyped ones that everyone's talking about. And stick around until the end because I'll share one unexpected ways that these tools can actually harm your productivity if you're not careful. But before we dive in, if you're new here, I make videos about leveraging technology and AI to improve your life and work. If that sounds interesting, consider subscribing to join our community. Here's what we're covering today. First, we'll look at why AI tools are fundamentally different from regular productivity apps. Then, we'll dive into 4 specific categories of AI tools that I personally use and I recommend. And finally, I'll share my framework for choosing which AI tools are actually worth your time. Let's start with why AI tools are different. Unlike traditional apps that follow fixed rules, AI tools learn and adapt to your usage patterns. They understand context, recognize patterns, and can handle nuanced tasks that previously required human judgment. This means they don't just save time, they actually enhance your capability. Now, let's dive into the 4 categories of AI tools that I believe are worth your attention in 2025. Category 1. AI writing assistants. The standout here is Claude 3 by Anthropic, which has significantly improved on what tools like Jasper AI started. But here's what most people miss. The real power isn't in generating content, it's in the iterative process. I use Claude for outlining and brainstorming, then refining my own writing. This approach maintains authenticity while leveraging AI's analytical capabilities. Category 2, we have AI personal assistants. While Google Assistant's Gemini integration is impressive, the game changer for me has been Apple's implementation of their own large language model in Siri, that's ChatGPT. What makes it special is the on-device processing, which means faster responses and better privacy. I particularly use it for context-aware task management, like suggesting meeting prep based on my calendar events. Category 3, we have AI creative tools. Adobe's Firefly integration across Creative Cloud has revolutionized content creation. But here's an underrated tool, Runway Gen 2. It's making professional level video editing accessible to everyone through AI. I use it to edit some parts of my videos and I'll link a tutorial to it above. Category 4, we have AI learning platforms. Khan Academy's Kamingo and Duolingo Math are just the beginning. What is fascinating about these platforms is how they adapt to your learning style. They identify patterns in your mistakes and adjust their teaching accordingly. I've been using Kamingo for learning advanced statistics, and it's remarkable how it breaks down complex concepts based on my specific questions. Now, here's the most crucial part that most people miss. The productivity paradox of AI tools. Having too many AI tools can actually decrease your productivity. I learned this the hard way when I found myself spending more time managing tools than actually doing any work. So here's my framework for choosing AI tools. Number 1, you define the specific problem that you're trying to solve. Number 2, you test the tool for 2 weeks exclusively for that problem. Then 3, you measure the actual time saved or the value that was added to you. So if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more content about maximizing your potential with technology. Drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.